Welcome to KKO Desks, where today we present an extraordinary blend of futuristic design and cutting-edge performance. The retro-futuristic sports car with a striking blue body and bold red stripe accents. As we begin with the front view, you'll notice the car's aggressive yet refined presence. The distinctive front grille exudes confidence, while the sleek, aerodynamic lines guide your eyes towards the sharply designed headlights that give this car an unmistakable character. Every curve, every detail of the front end has been meticulously crafted to not only look stunning, but to perform at the highest level. Now, let's move to the side view. From this angle, you can truly appreciate the smooth contours and the sporty, muscular stance of the car. The flowing lines, accentuated by the dynamic red stripe, highlight its performance capabilities. The wheel arches are sculpted to perfection, housing a set of sleek, high-tech wheels that complete the car's futuristic appeal. The side profile is a masterpiece of design, balancing elegance with raw power, ready to take on the road with unrivaled agility. As we continue to explore this stunning creation, you may be wondering about the price of such an exceptional vehicle. Stay with us, and we'll reveal the cost of owning this masterpiece at the end of the tour. Now, let's step inside and explore the interior of this remarkable retro-futuristic sports car. The moment you enter, you're greeted by a luxurious high-tech cockpit that blends innovation with comfort. The front seats are crafted from the finest leather and carbon fiber, offering a perfect balance of elegance and support. Red stripe accents add a sporty touch, tying in seamlessly with the exterior design. As we move to the dashboard, you'll notice the advanced digital displays, providing all the information you need at your fingertips. The minimalist controls are intuitively placed, ensuring a clean, futuristic look. Ambient lighting softly highlights the premium materials throughout the cabin, creating an atmosphere of sophistication and exclusivity. The rear seats, equally luxurious, promise comfort for passengers with attention to every detail from the sleek seat backs to the integrated tech features. This car isn't just about style, it's designed for a truly elevated driving experience. Stay with us, and we'll reveal how you can make this high-performance masterpiece your own. Now that you've seen both the exterior and interior of this stunning retro-futuristic sports car, let's talk about the benefits of owning such a masterpiece and, of course, the price. First, this car isn't just about head-turning looks. It's engineered for exceptional performance. With cutting-edge technology under the hood, it offers a thrilling driving experience that blends power and precision. Whether you're taking sharp turns or cruising on the highway, this car's aerodynamic design ensures stability and speed like no other. The advanced suspension system and performance tires give you unparalleled handling, while the hybrid or electric options ensure you're driving towards a greener, more sustainable future. Inside, every detail has been designed with the driver in mind. The high-tech dashboard, digital displays, and ergonomic seats combine to create an experience that's both intuitive and comfortable. From the driver's seat to the rear passenger area, the interior delivers luxury and innovation in equal measure. Plus, the advanced sound system and ambient lighting make every journey feel like an event. As for the price, this extraordinary vehicle brings you all of this cutting-edge design and performance at an accessible price point for its class. You can expect a vehicle that rivals the most premium sports cars out there, yet with a price that's surprisingly competitive. Stay with us, and we'll reveal the exact price of owning this future-forward sports car. It could be more attainable than you think. And now for the moment you've been waiting for, the price. This incredible retro-futuristic sports car, with its high-performance features, cutting-edge design, and luxurious interior, is available for just $79,999. Yes, for less than you might expect, you can own a car that not only turns heads, but also delivers unmatched performance and innovation. Don't miss out on this opportunity to drive the future today. Visit us at KK Autos to learn more. Schedule your test drive and experience firsthand what makes this vehicle truly exceptional. thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you behind the wheel soon.